So I'm going to show you how you can create a beach wave using your Dyson Airwrap. So what you'll need is the 30mm barrels, both of them, so you have both directions. You're going to use it on full speed and full temperature to create the beach wave. So firstly, just take one section of hair at a time, alright, so not too big. If your hair was wet, just blast right off to about 8%. If it's already dry, just dampen it down slightly. And what you're going to do is hold your Dyson Airwrap upside down like this, and you're going to wrap the section of hair around the barrel in the direction of the arrows. If you wish to keep your ends straight, you can just pinch about 1 or 2 inches there. If not, just let it all wrap around. So turn it on and do your cold burst at the end. So once you've done your cold burst, you feel like your hair is dry, just release and you'll have that lovely S-bend kind of a curl. If you want a real beachy effect, I recommend rotating the directions of the barrels and running your fingers through at the end to give that lovely beach wave finish. Remember, you can visit dyson.ie to live video chat with an expert if you have any more questions. You can also leave a comment below this video for any other demos you'd wish to see.